Okay, so what we have here is a shadow mechanical pencil. He writes with shadows. So that's cool. Let's give her a go. So you just position the shadow above what you're doing. And then you make your abbreviated logo. And then you explain that this here is for psychedelic, and then that's a T for taste, and that's another T for test, and that's the tongue, and that's the circle, and then also it looks like pH, because like acids and stuff can have a pH level. Bases of the opposite end of the scale, but you know, psychedelic is like, oh, what's a psychedelic? Like hallucinogen, like acid? I'm like, no, not necessarily. It's actually psychedelic taste test. The testing is the psychedelic part. What it is we're testing, because it's pencil in this case. I didn't actually lick it. But, tastes like graphite. Okay, that's all. Psychedelic taste test.